Hey, I'm here to give you my review on this Toastmaster electric kettle. Um, I have used electric kettles for years. I find that they are faster than heating water up on the stove or whether it be electric or gas. And I just really prefer them. This one is very basic. It holds 1.7 liters. I can't remember how many cups that is. This one I've had for several months now. It does have an an automatic shut off when you turn it on and shut it off. I'll show you in a second, but it's very, very basic. It has a filter in here to filter that water when it's coming back out of here. But I do have one thing about this that I'm not particularly fond of, and I'll show you what that is. Okay, when you make tea, you don't always want it to come to a full boil. This does have an automatic shut-off if it gets into a full boil and reaches a certain temperature. But if you do not get it to a full boil and you don't shut it off, as you can see, you have a little light there. Now you pull this up. As soon as it comes off of this element, it should kick off, but it doesn't. So you go to put it, you fill your teacup, you put it back, it comes back on. As you can see, it comes back on. That is one of the things that I don't particularly care about this design. My other kettles, as soon as it would come off this cradle, it would automatically shut off. But other than that, this is a great kettle for the value. It was a relatively on the lower end of the cost factor, and I like it. I would buy it again. This is great for camping, college dorms, etc. So that's just my opinion.